Hey, and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. You know what I think? I think cotton candy sure is unique. I just love how it melts on the tongue, and the flavor is great. Well, I want to take cotton candy and create something out of it. I'm going to make cotton candy cupcakes utilizing Cotton Candy Crunch. I need to crush about a cup of these cotton candy crunches. Here we go. I need to start with a prepared pancake batter. I'm using this one, Cap'n Crunch Berry-tastic Pancake Mix. I'm gonna add those cotton candy bits right to my batter. I'm gonna fill up a muffin tin with some batter. I'll bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 16 to 18 minutes, or until golden brown. While that's baking, I'll make the frosting. Whipped cream cheese, a little powdered sugar, some blue food coloring, and online I found this cotton candy flavoring. I'm putting just a couple drops inside. Yummy! It smells like cotton candy. I'm gonna put a little icing on. Yum. And I'm gonna take this cupcake and I'm gonna dip it in some more Cotton Candy Crunch. Woo! What? These look great! Let's try. It definitely sings cotton candy. I think it's got to be that flavoring in the frosting. It is very sweet. It is very cotton candy, summer, I'm going to the carnival kind of cupcake. Thanks for watching Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Make yourself a cotton candy cupcake someday. Or is it a cotton candy muffin? You'll have to let me know. But I'll see you next time. What'll I make? I don't know. Click that bell and you may find out. Bye-bye. What did one cotton candy cupcake say to the other cotton candy cupcake? Absolutely muffin.